And here's I'll show you how to make color halftone effect in Photoshop. First of all, unlock the layer, right click on your layer and click on convert to smart object. Then click on this foreground color box and select here the color for the halftone effect and click on OK. After that, go to filter, click on filter gallery. Here, zoom out your project. Now in this sketch list, you have to select halftone pattern. And here you can change your halftone pattern size just like this. You can also change contrast. And then pattern type, you can select circle, line, and dot. Now click on OK. And that's how we can create color halftone pattern. Now I'll show you the second method to do it. Second method is go to filter, hover over on pixelate and click on color halftone. And here max radius I'm giving 30 pixels and channel 1 giving 45, channel 2 45, channel 3 45 and channel 4 45 and clicking on OK. And here you can see the halftone created. Now to add a color to this halftone, go to layer, hover over on new adjustment layer and select gradient map. Click on OK. Click on this color. Click on color. And click on color box and select a different color for your color halftone pattern just like this. Click on OK. And you can also change gradient color from here. Click on OK. And double click on this color halftone. And you can change max radius from here just like this. So that's it for now.